So in this video, you'll learn how to install Roblox on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to installing Roblox is to simply choose where you're going to be installing it from. So you can choose to use the Galaxy Store, or you can choose to go ahead and use the Google Play Store. It's completely up to you. Once you've chosen where you're going to be installing it from, you then want to use the search function and you want to type in the word Roblox and then search. You should see it appearing in the list of search results, so tap on it to view the app details and confirm that it's by Roblox Corporation. And then from here, select Install and wait for the game to be downloaded onto your tablet. Once it's been downloaded, you can tap on play to launch it, or you can just go ahead and exit the app and open the apps drawer, look for the app icon from there and tap on it to launch it. Once you've launched it, you can now start using Roblox on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.